Hi, we're here at Esley Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we are looking at the Worldlawn Python zero-turn mower with a 35 horsepower Kawasaki engine and a 72-inch cutting deck. This mower has a 72-inch 8-gauge steel fabricated cutting deck, along with our HydroGear ZT-5400 transmission. We have our step up along with a suspension seat. Our step up comes with a isolated foot platform. We have three 24.5 blades on our deck. We have our throttle on each side, along with our fuel gauge, cup holder, and fuel tank that is equipped with 14-gallon fuel capacity. We have our back tires with extra tread, along with our rollover protection system. We have a 35 horsepower Kawasaki FX1000V engine, along with a guard to avoid splash ups and grass in your engine. We have our other fuel tank, along with our controls with your throttle, choke, ignition, lights, and hour meter. This mower is equipped with an electric deck lift. We have our chute, along with a cutting height adjustment of 1.5 to 5.5. We have 1/4 receiver mounts on both front and back of the mower. This mower also comes with a top forward speed of 12 miles per hour. Again, this is the Worldlawn Python zero-turn mower with a 35 horsepower Kawasaki engine and a 72-inch cutting deck. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720. We also have handhelds and trailers and can make you a great package deal.